Okay, the next topic is angle of repose. Angle of repose, it is the minimum angle made by the inclined plane, this inclined plane, with the horizontal when the body placed on it just begin to slide. So it is the minimum angle. Suppose we have a surface, this is the surface in which a body is kept. So when we make the body inclined, in the situation when the body just is sliding, this minimum angle of this inclined plane with the horizontal, okay, for which the body just is sliding, this angle is called angle of repose. Okay, so here suppose we have an inclined plane and the body a body is kept on this inclined plane. So here how many forces are acting? The weight of the body mg, which is acting downward. Now if this angle is phi, then this angle is 90 minus phi and this whole angle is 90. So this angle is again phi. Okay, so it is phi, so this angle is also phi. Mg is acting downward, perpendicularly downward. So we'll take two components of this mg. It is mg cos phi this side, and here we have mg sin phi. R is the normal reaction which is just perpendicular to the surface. So this is the surface, so this R is perpendicular to that. Okay, and when the body just is sliding, the friction force is Fs max. Okay, and this force is mg sin phi. Now how many forces are acting? We can say that mg is resolved into two components, so there are four forces which we can see: mg cos phi, mg sin phi, R and Fs max. Okay, so this normal reaction R is balanced by mg cos phi. These two are equal and opposite, so we can say that mg cos phi will be equal to R. This is our equation 1. Now mg sin phi and Fs max both are equal and opposite because the body just is sliding, you know. So these two are equal, so we can again say mg sin phi will be equal to Fs max. This is our equation 2. Now we'll divide equation 2 by equation 1. So what will we get? Mg sin phi upon mg cos phi will be equal to Fs max upon R. So mg will cancel and sin phi upon cos phi is tan phi. So this will be equal to tan phi and it is equal to Fs max upon R. And you all know that Fs max upon R is mu s. So we can say that tan phi is equal to mu s. Okay, and already we have calculated the value of angle of friction and we have got that tan theta is equal to mu s. So angle of friction tan theta is also equal to mu s. So if you look at these two equations, we can say that tan phi will be equal to tan theta because both the values are here, right side are equal, so left will also be equal. So we can say that tan phi will be equal to tan theta. So we can say that phi will be equal to theta, or angle of repose will be equal to angle of friction. Okay, so that is all about angle of repose. That angle of repose is the minimum angle made by the inclined plane with the horizontal when the body kept on it just starts sliding. An angle of friction, what is this? It is the angle made by the resultant of limiting friction and normal reaction विद द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन। ठीक है, तो ये रिजल्टेंट का एंगल किससे कैलकुलेट होगा? फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन, नॉट फ्रॉम एफ एस मैक्स। ठीक है।